By the end of this video, you're going to know the top 20 easiest products to sell 2024 with Shopify dropshipping. On top of that, I'll be showing you the exact TikToks you can remake to have your own viral videos. Make sure you don't skip the last 3 because they're my favorite. The first product has 60,000 views. Let's take a look. Comments are, try Accutane Babe, try Panadol, ugh. It's selling for $24 on Shopify. AliExpress is selling for 99 cents. And the chart is saying it's making $5,573 in the last 7 days. Number 2, the next product has 87,000 views on TikTok. Let's take a look.
Everything goes in the single pouch, right? There's no like flips and flaps. There's no like extra pockets. It's not a jigsaw puzzle that you have to solve every time you need to go to the bathroom. So there's a single pouch. There's no underwire or pads. So it's literally the same on the inside as it is on the outside. And so the way that the pouch is structured, though, it kind of looks large. People say, oh, Bill looks really large. Part of it is the way it's designed. That's so weird. Julio, it is weird, but it's amazingly comfortable, right? All new things that are really great are actually a lot of people think they may look weird at first, but they're comfortable. Once you try them on, you're like, holy crap, this is a D size, right? And so you can see how the pouch comes more straight out from the body of the underwear. And so what this does is it helps create some of the lift. But then also, when you put it on, it actually causes that seam to rotate up under your legs. And so once you put it on, it's not going to come off.
Comments are, you need to get more models. I bought the briefs. They feel great. I'm impressed with how they fit. In Shopify store, it's selling for $34. On AliExpress, it's selling for $5.72. The chart says it's selling $1,135 in the last 7 days. Number 3, the next product has 166,000 views on TikTok. Let's go.
This bra has 16 hooks instead of the normal 8 hooks. Reason being, this bra is specially for women that has C, D, and E cups. Right. This is an anti-sagging bra for big boobs. Soft material, cooling fabric for you to wear whole day even under hot weather. It has a very comfortable and soft padding to support your boobs. Okay. It has a large straps to give your boobs a good lift. Why? Because when you run, if your bra doesn't support well, your boobs will tend to swing left and right. It's very embarrassing, right? So this bra gives you a full support and good lift so that when you run or chase after a bus, you will not have this embarrassment moment. Okay, let me show you. This is how it looked like. You see, the thick strap gives you a very, very good lift, both sides. Okay, and look at the bottom, a good lift of your boobs, right? To prevent from sagging, right? And the side, there's always this extra fats. So this thing cover up those extra fats. And behind, our back also have fats, right? It gives you a very nice back as well. You see, and the design of this bra, the padding, is a teardrop design. Very, very nice teardrop design. It's not round, you see, look very unnatural. It doesn't have those extra padding. We don't need extra or push-up padding because boobs CDE is big enough. So what we want is a bra that can give you a very, very good support. Okay, so as time goes, your boobs doesn't sag. Yeah, so ladies, do remember, get a good bra to support your boobs. Right, cheers.
Comments are, I want to, where can I purchase? Normally I wear 45, 100, 100 kg. So what size? On Shopify, it's selling for $34.95. On AliExpress, it's $5.85. Chart says it's making $1,887.30 in the last 7 days. Number 4, this next product has 100,000 views on TikTok. Here we go.
This is the best all-in-one charging station that you can buy right now. This is the Ucom X 3-in-1 charger. You can charge your phone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods. It's all MagSafe compatible. All you gotta do is put your AirPods down, they start charging. You can flip up this middle piece so you can stick your Apple Watch right on here and it starts charging. This last spot would be where you put your phone. But when you put your AirPods down or anything on any of the chargers, you can see they start lighting up, and the light corresponds to which one is charging on which platform. Also, if you want to take it on the go, it folds up into a really compact, tiny design. It's all magnetic, so it doesn't come apart. Stick it in your bag, good to go. It also comes with a charging brick and a USB-C cable to plug the whole thing in. These are normally $50, but right now they're running a sale on TikTok Shop and they're on the sale for $30. You can get them in white or black. Click the link below to get one for yourself.
Comments are, that's a handy device, looks aesthetic. Does it work for Samsung? Shopify is selling for $55. You can pick this up on AliExpress for $10.70. Chart says it's making $1,826.16 in the last 7 days. Number 5, this next product has 100,000 views on TikTok. Let's take a look.
You do a lot of metal fabrication, this is the apron you need. Super heavy duty and the canvas is thick. They also come with shoulder pads and a clip on the back. Don't be fooled, I bought one of these off Amazon, Your Shield, piece of junk. Let's look at the difference in the material they use on the straps. Hudson's got a lot more girth.
Shopify, it's selling for $29.95. You can pick it up on AliExpress for $14.34. Chart says it's making $1,078.20 the last 7 days. This next product has 84,000 views on TikTok. Let's watch.
This is my honest product review of this really cool portable neck fan. It's super lightweight and it is bendable. Besides the fans on both sides here, these are also a whole bunch of fan vents right here, so the air actually comes out there too. It has a plug-in for a rechargeable USB, and this is the power button, and you push it 3 times because there's 3 different settings. So when you put this on, you can either put the vents facing downwards, so they're blowing down on your body, or you can turn it upside down so these fans are blowing up towards your face. So you hit the on button. That's low, medium, and high. And you can see it's actually blowing my hair a little bit. And it's not very loud at all. So you can kind of move it around and adjust it because it's kind of flexible here. And because it is so lightweight, I don't feel like that there's any weight sitting on my neck pulling down. The other way I like to wear it is turning it backwards. So it's actually blowing down the back of my shirt. That actually kind of feels good. I've had this fan for about 4 years and I use it all the time. I absolutely love it. The quality is really good. It's like a heavy duty, lightweight plastic. And then it's got the little metal fan blades in here, but they have a protective mechanism, so if you stick your finger in here, you can't hurt yourself. So definitely recommend, and I would definitely buy these again.
Comments are, I swear I love this TikTok. I can't click on the link. Can you post again? Do you know the name of this fan? Shopify is selling for $10.77. AliExpress is selling for $2.67. Chart says it's making $635.56 in the last 7 days. This next product has 120,000 views on TikTok. Let's go. Comments are, I just got one. This thing is amazing. I want one so bad for when hurricanes come. I don't have one, but the one I got a year ago or so, and I love it. On Shopify, it's selling for $11.97. AliExpress, you can pick it up for 99 cents. And Chart says it's making $167.62 in the last 7 days. This next product has 16,000 views on TikTok. Here we go.
Let's move on to the number 1 spot, which is the Ergo Foam footrest. Now you might be thinking, footrest? Really, the number 1 spot? Yes, coming in at around $40. You may think, what's so special about it? Well, for the same reason that the snail axe, but this one I think is slightly more important, and if not absolutely integral. Now, while sitting, especially for long periods of time, having your legs hanging or resting them under the chair rather than stretched out in front of you is not only uncomfortable, but it's truly detrimental to your long-term health and does cause chronic pain. Now, while gaming, being able to place your feet in the perfect and correct position not only feels good, as it's way more comfortable, but it also allows for longer gaming sessions and keeps you feeling good not during the gaming sessions. Now, the massage pad was super luxurious and it's really, really nice to have, This one is really important for your health. I know so many people who aren't doing this, but the correct position when sitting in any chair at all, especially one that you're going to be sitting in for a long period of time, is to have your back upright, sitting this way, but having your feet down like that is very bad for your health. It's supposed to be stretched out, and you have to have something that your feet are touching underneath it. All right, so this one does a few different things, making it the best one. Firstly, it's soft, so it actually feels nice on your feet, but it's not too soft that it gives too much, and it doesn't allow that support to be given. Now, it has hundreds of these little rubber feet on the bottom, so it does stay when your feet are planted on it, but it does still allow for movement when your feet are not pressed down on it. So it's easy to move just with your feet to get it kind of aligned easily. Second is this has two different heights, so you can actually remove one of the layers to get the right and correct height for your desk or your setup. Other thing that you can do here is you can flip this around and actually use this as a rocker, which is really nice, especially if you want some movement to, again, help with fatigue or pain or things like that.
On Shopify, it's selling for $44.67. On AliExpress, it's selling for $12.95. And the chart says it's making $938.07 in the last 7 days. This next product has 86,000 views on TikTok. Let's take a look. Comments are, how much tea does it hold? Is there an 8-ounce serving version of this? This is so cute. What tea is that? On Shopify, it's selling for $32.99. AliExpress, you can pick it up for $4.49. The chart says it's making $5,179.43 in the last 7 days. Number 10. This product has 24,000 views on TikTok. Tech Guy, play the... On Shopify, it's selling for $92. On AliExpress, it's selling for $19.86. And chart says it's making $4,892.25 in the last 7 days. This next product has 6,000 views on TikTok. Let's take a look. Shopify, it's selling for, you can pick it up on AliExpress for $20.33. Chart says it's making $3,213 in the last 7 days. This next product has 20,000 views on TikTok.
Honest review about this coffee grinder. So this one cost me $40 and it grinds really well. But my coffee machine at home, my Breville one, it grinds slightly finer coffee grinds. Slightly. But that one cost me $2,000. And this one was $40. What?
Shopify, it's selling for $39.99. On AliExpress, you can pick it up for $2.64. Chart says it's making $8,957.76 in the last 7 days. Number 17. This next product has 16,000 views on TikTok. Let's watch. Shopify, it's selling for $39.99. AliExpress, you can pick it for 99 cents. Chart says it's making $839.79 in the last 7 days. Number 18, this next product has 100,000 views on TikTok. Tech Guy, play the clip. Shopify is selling for $44.95. AliExpress, you can pick it up for $12.65. Chart says it's making $4,775.75 in the last 7 days. Number 19. This next product has 57,000 views on TikTok. Here we go. Shopify store, it's selling for $11.49. AliExpress, you can pick it up for $4.03. And the chart says it's making $8,652.65 in the last 7 days. Number 20. The next product has 115,000 views on TikTok. Let's take a look. AliExpress, you can pick up similar watch for $10.68. And chart says it's making $4,222.96 in the last 7 days.